Welcome to the short video series where we ask, what can Ecolux do for you? In this video, we'll look at some of the winter benefits of SolarGuard's low E film Ecolux. We took to a cozy cabin in Lake Tahoe, California in the heart of winter. With the thermal camera pointed at this window, the fireplace's reflection is a cool blue, meaning that most of the heat is working its way out the window. After applying Ecolux, the fireplace reflection turns a dark red, as Ecolux is reflecting most of that heat from the fireplace back into the room. If you do the math on the measured reflected radiation, there's a 50% increase in heat retention with Ecolux. Next, we went outside to see the impact of Ecolux on the building's envelope. From the left, we have Ecolux on the second window, and we've left the third window clear. Ecolux is keeping the outside of the window cooler. We did the math again, and the window with Ecolux had an average 43% less heat loss over a 4-hour period. In the wintertime, windows are the biggest source of building heat loss. But with Ecolux, the difference is clear.